Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. Today's DIY, we're gonna do some fall decor pieces using Dollar Tree items. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started with the first DIY, which basically is more of assembling than a DIY, but I'm gonna call these all DIYs. What you're gonna do is get 3 frames, and I'm gonna use the 5x7 frames, and these are the glass ones. All I did was basically remove the backing, glued on the glass, and then I'm gonna glue the frames all together. And then once I was done, I decided to go ahead and add a 4th frame on top of the middle center frame, just like this, just to give it more height, because I didn't have a candle holder that was a little bit longer. So I decided to go ahead and do this. But if you have a candle holder or a vase that's a little bit longer than the other ones, you can do it just with the 3 frames, or you can add the 4th one if you like, just to give it more height, like I am. So just to give it more enforcement and to make sure that it doesn't bend all the frames together, what I did was just get some popsicle sticks and I glued them to the back just to make it even and make sure that everything is nice and secure. And all I'm using, as you can see, is hot glue gun, but you can also use permanent glue, totally up to you. I know some people are going to say fall already. You know, you're already doing fall decor. Yes, I am, because I like to do it way in ahead of time, just so I can make sure that I have the pieces that I want, and also so I can get the supplies, because sometimes if you wait towards more closer towards that season or that holiday, you won't get as much variety as you do right now when they're first taking everything out, especially at Dollar Tree. So what I did was after I glued all the hot glue, the sticks, popsicle sticks to my frame, I set that aside, and then I grabbed 3 of these candle vases, or just regular vases that you can get from Dollar Tree. One of them, I'm just gonna put some velvet pumpkins that I got from last year, and then the other 2 I put candles. So that's a perfect fall simple centerpiece that you can use on your coffee table or dining room table. The next one, again, is really simple. All I'm gonna do is get one of these spider baskets and then a plastic serving dish that you can get where the party section's at. Then I'm gonna glue that to the bottom of my basket or my bowl. And then since I'm going more for that neutral, natural tone colors, I went ahead and glued this together, and I decided to spray paint it with a brown color, and then I'm going to spray paint some of the stone, this right here, the Rust-Oleum stone, on top of that. So again, I spray painted it the color I wanted, which is like a light taupe brown color. Let it dry completely. Then I spray painted it with the stone to give it more of that stone natural look that I'm going for my fall decor. And then this is the way this turned out. I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna use it to put some fruit on it on my dining room table. The next thing, again, I'm gonna use one of these bead wreaths that you can get at Dollar Tree, and then some more velvet pumpkins and some of this greener, I don't know what you call it. I actually took the thing off of it, but I wanna call it just grass, different color pampas grass. And I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of arrange it onto my wreath, just to put it on the bottom part, or kind of towards the side. And you're gonna see I'm just gonna use zip ties to attach everything. I didn't want to use glue because I want to use these same beaded wreaths for Christmas. So I went ahead and just started using zip ties instead of using glue, to make sure that I can use it for other holidays after fall. And to make things easier, I just kind of separated all the pumpkins just so I can arrange them the way I want to on my wreath. So as you can see, these DIYs were really simple, very beginner friendly, something that you can do with different variety of flowers and different products that you can get from Dollar Tree or any craft store, and make them your own style. So once I was done adding all the pumpkins to this wreath, again, I just grabbed another zip tie and attached them onto my wreath. And I made 2 of these to go on either side of a big window that I have in my living room. So I did grab and do 2 of these. So you do as many as you want, really, and put them all together. I think that would be really pretty, especially on a large wall, to have a few of the wreaths lined up together. And to cover up the stems and the zip ties at the bottom, all I did was get some burlap and just wrap it around a few times, just to cover that up. And again, I used hot glue, and that was the only part I used hot glue was for this. But as you can see, I'm going to glue it onto the stem itself and onto the burlap itself, so it's not going to affect the beads. So once the glue is dry, there you have it, an adorable neutral tone fall wreath. So let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite and what color and style are you going to be decorating for fall. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.